I'm going to show you how to fix Pretty Derby issue. So for the first step, you should go to the Windows taskbar and click this upside arrow. This will pop up, so make sure that the launcher that you have the game on is not appearing. If it does, right click on it and select exit. After that, go to any empty space in the Windows taskbar, right click and select Task Manager. Now from here, you need to keep the memory and CPU below 100% to prevent any issue from happening. Scroll through every process right here and make sure to end every suspicious or useless one. After that, go to the search and type in Steam. If you still find the Steam process running in the background, make sure to select it. After that, click on End Task in order to terminate it. For the next step, go to the search and type in Device Manager. Open it. Now go to the display adapters and then select your graphics code. Right click and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and then click on Close. Next, go to the search and type in NVIDIA. Select NVIDIA app. After that, go to drivers and make sure to download the latest driver. After that, go to settings and make sure to switch off the NVIDIA overlay like this. Next, go to the Steam launcher. Open it. You'll be redirected to the store, so go to the view option. After that, select library. From here, you need to select the game. I don't have it installed, so after clicking it, click on this gear icon and click on properties. Go to installed files and select verify integrity of game files. Alternatively, you can go to general and make sure to try typing in -dx11 or 12. You can close that. You need to wait for the process to finish. After that, you can close that. Next, go to the Windows icon and then select settings. After that, go to Windows Update and make sure to download the latest available updates. It is very important step. If you do have failed updates like me and they are stuck, just go to update history and check the first two options. After that, select recovery, select the first option and then select other troubleshooters, and then you can select the run button right here and see if that works for you. Now for the last step, you can go to the Windows icon and make sure to restart your computer. Try again. Hopefully the problem is gone. If you do find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you in the next one.